What's happening, everybody? It is your favorite Hack Shack mechanic. So, on a little bit of a sobriety binge here, and working on a few projects, hanging out here in the land of Partyville. Got a bunch of cool stuff we're working on. We got a bunch of car projects, motorcycle projects. But today I decided to peruse Marketplace. Found a project, did not film the actual fixing of it, but figured may as well put up a little quick video of a nice old motor. So, see you guys over there. What I got sitting here is a Briggs and Stratton 5S, guessing around a 52, 53. And I just picked this up today off Marketplace. And yeah, couldn't say no for 10 bucks. You know, right over about 15, 20 minute drive. And all I really did to it was top up the oil. It had good spark. And to clean up the check ball, because for some reason it would not come free. Gas tank is far from perfect, but I washed it out a few times, so there's nothing floating. The gas is clear, tank is dirty. So, but all the residue is cleaned out at least. But overall, the guy told me he got this motor about 25, 30 years ago. It's going to be a retirement project. And then he decided that he doesn't want to play with engines. He would rather go fishing. So he put it on Marketplace. So this is the first time it's been running in at least 25 to 30 years. And who knows how long it was before it was running before this guy had it. But I can only go off of what level of story I know. So, but now it's been sitting for a little bit. About 10 minutes. See if she fires up. Compression is not great. But it's a 5S. They never had that big a compression to begin with anyways. And a working recoil on top of that. Look at that. Alright, here we go. Oh. There we go. Can't beat an old Briggs.